When it comes to grooming the bikini area, the tool you choose can completely change the experience. This is one of the most sensitive parts of the body, and using a regular razor or the wrong trimmer often leads to irritation, razor bumps, ingrown hairs, or tiny cuts that take days to heal. A device that's actually designed for intimate grooming is not just about removing hair. It's about protecting your skin, saving time, and feeling confident in your routine. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best bikini trimmers for women based on detailed research, real user reviews, skin safety technology, performance, battery life, ease of use, versatility, and overall value for money. Whether your goal is precise shaping, a clean trim, or a completely smooth shave, there's an option here that can fit perfectly into your grooming routine. Let's start with a trimmer that's built around safety and simplicity. The Philips OneBlade Intimate is one of the most beginner-friendly tools available for sensitive areas. What makes it stand out immediately is the SkinProtect blade system. Instead of sharp, exposed, cutting edges, this blade is designed with rounded tips and a protective bridge that helps reduce friction and minimize the chances of nicks and cuts. This is especially useful if you're new to intimate trimming or if your skin reacts quickly to traditional razors. It's designed as a dual-purpose tool, so you can trim and shave using a single device. The included 3mm body comb makes it easy to maintain a neat, even length without going too short. And because the blade moves in any direction, it gives you more control and flexibility when you're working around curves and hard-to-reach areas. The stainless steel blade is built to last for months, which keeps maintenance simple and affordable. It's also fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower for a softer, more comfortable grooming experience, or dry when you're in a hurry. Cleaning takes only a few seconds. Just rinse it under running water. You get about 30 minutes of cordless use on a full charge, which is enough for multiple sessions, and the compact design makes it easy to pack for travel. If your top priorities are safety, ease of use, and an all-in-one trimming and shaving solution, this is one of the most reliable choices. Now, if you're someone who wants grooming to also improve your skin over time, the Bushbalm Francesca Trimmer Bundle offers something completely different. This isn't just a trimmer, it's a full routine. The trimmer itself is designed for controlled, even grooming across different parts of the body, including the bikini line, underarms, legs, and more. The guard trims hair to an optimal length, which is especially helpful if you're preparing for waxing or trying to avoid trimming too close to the skin. But what really makes this bundle unique is the skincare side. You get 3 targeted oils, each designed to solve one of the most common problems people face after hair removal. The Sweet Escape oil focuses on deep hydration and ingrown hair prevention. The Bermuda oil helps improve the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. And the Nude oil is designed to calm irritation while keeping the skin soft and smooth. So instead of trimming and stopping there, you're actually treating the skin before and after grooming. Over time, that can make a huge difference in how your skin looks and feels. If you regularly deal with razor bumps, discoloration, dryness, or ingrown hairs, this type of system can completely transform your routine. For detailed styling and precise shaping, the Philips Bikini Trimmer is built specifically for control and accuracy. The small trimming head allows you to shape the bikini line exactly the way you want. It trims hair down to 0.5 millimeter, which gives you a very clean, polished look without needing to use a manual razor. You also get click-on comb attachments for different lengths, so you can customize your style instead of being limited to a single result. There's a mini shaving head included for when you want extra smoothness after trimming, and the rounded tips help protect the skin while still cutting efficiently. The ergonomic grip makes it easy to hold and maneuver, which is extremely important for detailed work. It works wet or dry. The trimming head is washable for better hygiene, and the lightweight battery-powered design makes it one of the most travel-friendly tools on this list. If your goal is precise shaping and quick touch-ups, this is one of the most practical options available. For thicker hair and full-body grooming, the OLOV electric body hair trimmer stands out because of its ceramic blade technology. Ceramic blades are known for trimming smoothly without pulling and for generating less heat and friction than traditional metal blades. That means a more comfortable experience, especially in sensitive areas. This trimmer is designed for below-the-waist grooming, but it works just as well on the rest of the body. The adjustable guards give you full control over the length, and the waterproof build makes it ideal for shower use, where the process feels faster and cleanup is easier. It's rechargeable, cordless, and powerful enough to handle coarse hair without requiring multiple passes. If you want a trimmer that balances power, comfort, and full-body versatility, this is a very strong option. The Meridian Body Hair Trimmer is focused on delivering a close and consistent trim while keeping the experience smooth and irritation-free. It uses high-quality stainless steel blades that are designed to cut efficiently without tugging at the hair. That makes it ideal for anyone who prefers a shorter, cleaner finish but still wants to protect sensitive skin. It's fully waterproof for shower use, easy to clean, and powered by a long-lasting battery that supports multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. The non-slip ergonomic handle gives you excellent control, even when you're working around curves or hard-to-reach areas. If your priority is a close trim with a premium feel and dependable battery performance, this is a very reliable choice. For those who prefer the feeling of a traditional shave with modern comfort, the Philips Lady Shaver Series 6000 is designed to glide naturally over the contours of your body. The floating foil keeps constant contact with the skin for an even result, while the rounded trimmer tips help prevent scratches and irritation. The S-shaped handle gives you better reach and more natural movement, which makes full-body grooming much easier and faster. It can be used wet or dry, has an anti-slip grip for shower routines, and provides up to 40 minutes of cordless use. If your goal is an ultra-smooth finish with maximum comfort, this is one of the most refined options available. Finally, the Chic Hydro Silk trim style combines a bikini trimmer and a 5-blade razor into one compact, travel-friendly device. On one end, you get a trimmer with 4 adjustable length settings for shaping and maintenance. On the other end, you get a curve-sensing razor designed to follow the natural lines of your body for a close, smooth shave. The Hydro Boost Serum with shea butter helps keep the skin hydrated after shaving, and the protective skin guards help reduce irritation and ingrown hairs. This hybrid design makes it one of the most convenient tools for anyone who wants both trimming and shaving without switching devices. So which one should you choose? If you want maximum safety and simplicity, the Philips OneBlade Intimate is perfect for beginners. If your main concern is ingrown hairs, dark spots, and overall skin health, the Bushbalm Bundle offers the most complete routine. For precise bikini line styling and portability, the Philips Bikini Trimmer is ideal. For coarse hair and full-body performance, the OLOV delivers excellent results. For a close, premium trim with strong battery life, the Meridian is a great choice. For the smoothest full-body shave, the Philips Lady Shaver Series 6000 stands out. And for an all-in-one trim and razor solution, the Chic Hydro Silk trim style gives you the most flexibility. At the end of the day, the best bikini trimmer is the one that fits your routine, your skin sensitivity, and the result you want. The right tool doesn't just remove hair, it makes the entire process faster, more comfortable, and far more confidence-boosting. Check the links in the description to see current prices and real user reviews and choose the one that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. And as always, choose what makes you feel comfortable, confident, and completely yourself. I'll see you in the next one.